Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Veeba's Kitchen, where so heavenly recipes are made. Thanks for returning. I appreciate you all, yeah? Today, lovelies, I want to share with you how I made this simple and delicious mushroom pie, and I hope you like it. So please stay tuned to the end and be inspired. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. In a frying pan, I'm adding my cleaned and cut mushrooms, next my ginger powder, chopped red onions, cayenne pepper for heat, next salt to taste, and my all-purpose seasoning. Next, I'll give it a gentle stir until well combined. And I'm not adding water at this stage because I want them to release their own juices and then later I'll add water. So 3 minutes later, I'm adding water and now I'll let it steam again until the mushrooms are tender enough. And then I'll proceed to add my garnishing ingredients here. Ooh, and from all indication, at this point, our mushrooms are tender enough. So I'm adding my green peas, just like so. And then next, I'm adding my chopped carrots. Next, my green bell peppers, all for color and for flavor. Again, I'll proceed to stir until well combined. I love my vegetables fresh and crunchy in my pie. So at this point, I'll lower the heat whilst I add some more ingredients. And here I've got my red onion for color and for flavor. And next, I'm adding my cornstarch to help thicken up the filling, and it's totally optional. Yeah, so I'll keep on stirring until well combined, making sure the flour is not found anywhere lumpy in the filling. Oh, then so now I'm covering the filling up and I'll let it cool down for later use. Next, in my bowl, I'm adding my all-purpose flour. Next, I'm adding milk powder. Next, I'm adding sugar. Next, salt to taste. Next, baking powder. And now nutmeg for flavor. Yeah. Okay, so I'll proceed to mix everything together until well combined. And then I'll create something like a well in the middle and I'll add my butter, just like so. Next, I'll use my clean hand. You can as well use any spoon or spatula to mix it until it's crumbly, okay? Very nice texture I've achieved here. So now in the middle, I've created a well and I'm adding my evaporated milk. Next, an egg and turmeric powder. I'll go ahead and mix everything together until well incorporated. And eventually, we will mold it into a round shape, yeah? We are all done and this smells amazing. Next, I'm covering it up with my cling film. Put it in the fridge for about an hour. And after that, we will continue from there. So keep watching in order not to miss a step, yeah? Now let's check on our filling, and so far so good. It has cooled down completely and it's been an hour already. So I've brought out my dough. I'm going to cut it out into three and then I'll roll them out and cut out my shape from there. So lovelies, go nowhere and be inspired. To support your girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. And don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. It is fine, so I'll go ahead and cut it out with my round shape cutter. You can use any cutter of your choice, okay? So here we go. Now I'm adding my fillings just like so, and then I will seal it up just like this by bringing both ends together. But before that, don't forget to apply water all around the edges because it will help seal the pie properly. And after that, to make a design, I'll use my index finger to press it down just like this. You can even use fork or any other tool to make your own preferred design and you'll be good to go. So far, this is our first one and it's beautiful. So I'll set it aside and I'll repeat myself until the dough is finished. And now I'm poking some holes on all of them, and the holes will prevent the pies from exploding when they are in the oven baking. And also they will serve as designs for the pies here. Now I'm adding my egg wash You can as well use evaporated milk or combine both and you'll be fine. Right now, my oven is preheating, so when I'm done, I'll put them all in the oven, regulating the temperature between 150 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius. So a few minutes later, we are back, and this is the color I'm going for. Beautiful, it's not burnt, and the aroma is so magical. I'm so happy with the results, and I hope you've been inspired. If it's your first time ever seeing my video, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. This pie was very tasty and it was everything. And I hope you give it a try. Check it out. Rich and beautiful on the inside, and I love this. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care and enjoy. Toodles, peace out.